Hey there. It's so stock. That's gonna change. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on Gina's car. She's going to be installing a Tomei exhaust on her 350z. It's an HR 2008 Touring, and she's got in-gen twin cold air intakes in right now that we just put in them. And the car was just tuned by Jimmy Oaks. Shout out to Jimmy Oaks. He did a great job. The car drives amazing. Picked up a ton of low-end power. Way more than we expected. The car made somewhere around like 280, 285 wheel horsepower, which was impressive. We were not expecting that. Yeah, so she's going to be putting on her Tomei exhaust. It's titanium, single exit. Should cut some weight out of the car and make it sound a little bit better. We'll see. It's a VQ, so there's only so much you can do with a VQ. It's not a VR. So, yeah, heading to the shop right now. See you there. What is that? Silencer?
Resonator.
No, that's not a resonator.
Resonator.
Is that what they call it?
I don't know, isn't it?
No, this goes in the exhaust tip.
Yeah.
So you can stop annoying your neighbors.
It's not gonna happen.
It's a VQ. It will most definitely annoy your neighbors.
Loud and proud.
All right, so car's in the air. We got Gina over there looking at the instructions. Everything is laid out here on the ground, ready to go. Just make sure we have all the parts that we need. Do we have everything?
Yeah.
Everything's here. Yeah. All right. So we got like a center radiator. I'm gonna say radiator, resonator. The big old donkey dick, and all of the pie cut transitions that we need to put it together. We got all the gaskets, hangers, and whatnot. Got the torches ready to go because these are probably going to be, I mean, the car is a California car, but they're probably going to be pretty stuck. So using heat to make sure that we keep the studs intact. So
So this is why I love stuff from Japan. So on the front side we have, this nice little diagram telling us we need to use the stock exhaust hangers instead of reinforced exhaust hangers, because reinforced will cause too much vibration. So that'll make us hold on, let's get the Japanese caricatures in here. Unhappy.
They're different on both sides?
No, they're the same, but it just makes more sense when it has the...
And it has the Japanese writing.
Yeah.
Oh man, Japan.
I know, it's great. I love it. So,
Angry,
stock hangers.
Angry hanger
is reinforced. Reinforced hanger means angry exhaust.
The camera actually picks up the face.
Oh my gosh.
It tracks the face. That's hilarious.
I'm so angry. Why am I vibrating?
Is there anything special to note?
Not really. It's pretty basic.
All right.
It looks like it's gonna be not too bad to do.
Probably gonna lose a good chunk of weight.
It's gonna be a lot of weight coming out.
I mean, on top of being titanium, it's single exit.
Yeah, look at this. This is so unnecessary. The only thing that I don't like is how it's gonna just leave this exposed. We're just gonna have it coming from the left right here.
There's something they do, right? They roll this.
Exactly. See, this one's already...
It's already floppy.
It already did my job and came off for me.
Nice.
So we can tuck this up actually and just leave a nice gap right here. But
as long as it's even and then you don't see. Yeah.
But that's only gonna expose the differential back there. So I don't know how
that's kind of cool though. It'll look cool. You can always clean up the diff and
It'll be better than just having that open hole over there.
Yeah. So we're gonna get started and we'll see you on the flip. Howdy.
Hello there, sir.
Hello there, sir.
Hello there, good
All right.
sir.
So, got all these out. Next is we're going to take off the rear section here just so that we can work forward and not have to deal with the weight of this thing potentially acting like a lever once we take these out here. But these are a lot, these actually have like no rust, so I'm like, let me just, got no light, there we go. These have like no rust compared to these guys here, which are like all crusty.
You're crusty.
You're crusty. So, yeah. Alright, so the entire exhaust is off. As you can see, we're good up to the cats. Everything's out. It's all in pretty good shape, except for the fact that you sheared a bolt.
I did, yep, right.
But
Right
it's alright.
off. At least.
We're not using it, so
Yeah.
no harm, no foul. These pipes don't weigh anything. Everything is tight. Everything is exactly where it needs to be. It's aligned. And it looks really good. I want titanium exhaust like this for my GTI. So I'm gonna have to learn to weld titanium. Or find somebody that does it really well. These pie cuts are so nice. All right. Gonna go clean ourselves up and then start her up. VUQ ear destruction in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Come out here and listen to it. What was that?
Oh, it's so sick. We're gonna make some neighbors really mad.
Yeah.
Between me and you? Okay. It's gonna be bad.
Yep. And imagine when you go straight pipe. Or test pipe.
Test pipe. I
Jimmy, your crackles sound good with this titanium exhaust, man.
It's great. It's just great.
Not bad for a VQ.
Sounds pretty good.
It does. Downshift. Send it. Nice. Alright, so I think we're going to end this video here. This was all about Gina's car. In the future we're going to do some test pipes and long tube headers and then get it retuned by Ginny and just make more use of that new hardware. But for now it's probably around like 290 wheel horsepower. I don't know, maybe we'll go back to Jimmy's dyno one of these days and see how it does. Peace. Say bye.
Alright, bye. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry.